Feminism. It's a word that sparks debate, but what does it really mean? And why does Gen Z see it differently? At its core, simple. Feminism equals equality, equal pay, equal respect, no stereotypes. Older generations fought for rights like voting. Today, it's about inclusivity, race, LGBTQ+, even men breaking stereotypes. Some say, I believe in equality, but don't call myself feminist. And that's okay. Actions matter more than labels. Myth: feminists hate men. Truth: they hate sexism, which hurts everyone. Is feminism still needed? If equality isn't here yet, then yes. It's not about perfection, it's about progress.